Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 6x8 to 6.5 adapter is probably one of the most sought-after car audio upgrades for Ford owners, promising a significant improvement in sound quality without the hassle of major modifications. This detailed review will walk you through everything you need to know about this adapter, from its ease of installation to its impact on your vehicle's audio system, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your Ford. Number 5. Scosche Sagmer 634 Speaker Adapters. These adapters fit perfectly in select 2005 to 2020 GM vehicles. They ensure a secure installation of your aftermarket speakers, making for a clean and professional look. Effortlessly transform your vehicle's sound system. Install aftermarket 6.5 to 6.75-inch speakers and enjoy richer, more immersive audio. These adapters seamlessly integrate 6.5 or 6.75-inch car door speakers. They fit most aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5.58 inches. Please check measurements to ensure compatibility. Installation is a breeze. No special tools are needed. They use your vehicle's existing mounting points, no cutting or drilling required. Built to last, these high-quality adapters offer long-lasting performance. Avoid the problems of cheaper alternatives and enjoy reliable support for your new speakers. Backed by Scosche's limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. You can trust in Scosche's commitment to quality. What we like. It seamlessly integrates with select 2005 to 2020 GM vehicles, ensuring a snug fit. Installation is effortless, requiring no special tools. If you own a compatible GM vehicle and value a lifetime warranty, this is the adapter for you. What people say. These fit perfectly. I used a pair of side cutters to remove all the smaller tabs and 2 of the outer tabs. Just lightly cut into the plastic and then gently rock the cutters side to side and they'll break right off. Followed the rough areas with a file and they turned out great. Worked well, tabs broke off easily without damaging the other parts. No need for major modifications, only minor to fit new speakers. Used to make the install of new speakers in my 2010 Sierra bolt-in, kicker DS speakers bolt right in, and then the bracket fits perfectly in the doors of the truck. The 7mm factory bolt fits perfectly and the bracket even gives you 2 more mounting holes if you want to use them. I did and used small self-tappers. Number 4. Scosche SA68 Speaker Adapters. Want better sound in your car? These adapters make it easy to install aftermarket speakers. Enjoy richer, clearer audio on every drive. They let you seamlessly upgrade your factory speakers. It's a simple way to dramatically improve your car's sound system. These adapters fit most 5.25 or 6.5 aftermarket speakers and many vehicles with 5x7 or 6x8 factory speakers. Check the measurements to ensure compatibility. Made from high-grade ABS plastic, they're designed for a perfect fit. Enjoy a seamless, professional-looking installation. They come with Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. Buy with confidence, knowing you're getting a quality product. Transform your car's audio experience with ease. These adapters provide a simple solution for a big sound improvement. What we like. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of import and domestic vehicles. It's made from high-grade ABS materials for a secure and lasting fit. If you need a durable, versatile solution with excellent customer support, this is a great choice. What people say. Wanted to upgrade my speakers in my tow truck. These adapters made it easy to install speakers into the doors and behind the seats. It also opened the door for options, not restricting me to the factory-size speakers. They did exactly what I wanted. They converted a 6x8 speaker port, yes 6x8 not 6x9, to a 6.5 round speaker port. They bolted perfectly to factory mounting holes, then test-fitted new 6.5 round speaker, marked the mount spots with screwdriver, drilled, then remounted speaker, and finally screwed in new speaker. Done that easy. These worked perfectly to install a pair of 612 speakers in the front doors of my 2003 F-250. I took one speaker and one of these adapters with me to pick the fasteners to use. I mounted the speakers to the adapter prior to removing the door panel. Once I had removed the factory speakers, I installed the new speakers using wiring adapters purchased from Amazon and the factory screws. It was a direct fit and couldn't have worked better. Number 3. Ford Speaker Install Kit. Want to enhance the audio experience in your Ford? This kit makes adding aftermarket speakers a breeze. It's designed for a seamless installation. It's compatible with a wide range of Ford vehicles, from 2013 to 2022 models. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits yours. This kit accommodates 6, 6.5, and 6.75 speakers. Minor adjustments might be needed depending on your specific speaker choice, but that's perfectly normal. Installation is quick and easy, saving you valuable time. It's designed to speed up the process and get you listening to your favorite music faster. Made from high-grade plastic, it ensures a secure and long-lasting fit. It's also corrosion-resistant for added durability. You get everything you need: 4 plates and 4 speaker harnesses, 2 pairs for all 4 doors. Everything is included for a complete upgrade. What we like. It's designed specifically for various Ford models and accommodates multiple speaker sizes. Installation is quick and easy. If you drive a Ford and want a fast, straightforward upgrade, this is perfect for you. What people say. Matched May manufactures door perfectly. Easy to install. Worked well for my 2015 Fiesta Street. The mounting holes on older my 6.5 JL Audio TR series were a bit off for these frames, but they were able to be secured. My grandson installed the speaker adapter rings and the speaker electrical adapters. Everything fit perfectly as if they were factory parts. Number 2. Universal PVC Speaker Adapter. This adapter makes upgrading your car audio system a breeze. It seamlessly connects your speakers to your car's existing mounting points. It's designed to fit a wide range of speaker sizes. This ensures compatibility with most aftermarket speakers. Made from durable PVC, it's built to last. It provides a secure and reliable connection for your speakers. With a 5.75 inner diameter and 6.375 x 8.25 outer diameter, it's precisely engineered for a perfect fit. This ensures a snug and secure installation. Its 6 mm thickness provides excellent stability and support. This helps prevent vibrations and ensures optimal sound quality. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no special tools. Enjoy your upgraded sound system in minutes. What we like. It offers a universal fit for various speaker and vehicle types. Its thick construction ensures a secure fit. If you need a simple, robust adapter for a variety of applications, this is a solid option. What people say. Installed the adapters to run 6.5 on a 6x8 speaker deck on a 2000 Mustang with Mach 460 system. Used 6 in total, 3 on each side to bring the speakers up, and was able to shave small amount of adapters with was great for me. Tested after install and held up perfect. No vibration issues and is softer material that helped with vibration compared to other hard plastic spacer adapters. Helped a lot that they are oversized as well. Great thickness and are sturdy when bass was up, no vibration issues. I used these to install JL Audio C2-650X 6.5 Coke speakers in my 2002 F250 Access cab, all 4 doors. They worked great. I used number 8x34 flathead sheet metal screws to attach the adapters to the existing screw holes in the door, with a bed of RTV silicone sealant. Then I marked each one with screw holes for the speaker using the templates supplied with the speakers, and drilled a 1/8 pilot hole, then used number 8x34 panhead sheet metal screws to secure the speakers. All speakers are not created the same. Speaker size standards are like shoe sizes, better try them on, but these speaker adapters worked for me. The speakers though, didn't improve anything, lol. 6x8 down to 6.5 was a bigger performance drop than I expected, but I'm already on to something else. These adapters are great for turning factory locations into mids for a bigger system. Number 1. SAK006_55 speaker adapters. These adapter rings solve clearance issues when installing aftermarket speakers. They're designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. They fit 5x7 or 6x8 speakers into 612 openings. No need to modify your vehicle. The 1/4 thickness ensures sufficient space and prevents any clearance problems during installation. It's a simple yet effective solution. Installation is a breeze. They utilize your vehicle's existing mounting points, so no cutting or drilling is required. These adapters feature 512 round cutouts, accommodating most 612 aftermarket speakers. Enjoy a seamless fit and superior sound. Upgrade your car audio system with ease using these speaker adapters. They provide a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. What we like. It guarantees no clearance issues with its 1/4 thickness. Installation is straightforward, using existing mounting points. If you prioritize a hassle-free installation and a durable product, this is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.